Hey guys, my name is Roma. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, and this time I have two DIY ideas which you guys can do at home. These are like super simple and super easy to make, and the materials used are like regular ones which you guys can get easily. So without wasting any time, let's just check out the video.
You can use any kind of jar or simple glass vase for this DIY. Here I am using the one I had in my kitchen already. For this DIY we need jute rope and a glass jar. Cut a piece of rope to fit around the neck of jar. Make sure to tie it loosely around the neck. Because I will be attaching vertical pieces of rope and it will be easier to do that if it is not too tight against the jar. Now measure the jar with other rope. And we need about 4 times the height of the jar. This is the length of the rope we need. I have already kept it ready. Next, fold your rope in half. Take the looped end and put it underneath the rope around the neck of the jar. Next, bring the ends of the rope up through the loop. And pull it tight. Now repeat the step with the remaining pieces and space them out evenly. After you get them all attached, this is how the whole thing will look like. Now take one piece of rope from two adjacent vertical strands. They should form V when you are holding them. Now tie a knot with this, making sure to hold both strands together. Pull them tight, and this is how it will look. Now move around the jar, making your knots with the remaining ropes. So this is how it will look like once it's done. Try to keep them all at the same height. Repeat the same steps for your next row of knots. After it is knotted, the ropes will form a diamond shape, as you can see. Try to keep your knots the same size and distance apart as you work your way down the jar. Repeat the same steps you have done before. The rope will look better at the end when it is all pulled tight on the bottom. This is how it will look now. Now put a dab of hot glue on the ropes. And stick them where the ropes intersect. Now take the strand from other side and hot glue this together. Don't be afraid to use a lot of hot glue. Do the same steps you have done before. And once done, this is how it will look like. Now add a candle or a fairy light inside this. And this is how pretty it gonna look like. Here is the finished product. Now moving on to the second DIY, we need a glass jar, some glitter, rope, Fevicol, scissor and salt. Now combine the glitter and salt in a plate. Mix them really well. Now apply a layer of glue around the jar. Be careful not to layer it too thick. Make sure to cover the edges. And once it is done, start rolling the jar on the salt. Sprinkle the glitter salt around the jar until evenly covered. This is how it gonna look once the step is done. Now allow the jar to dry for about 1 hour. Now take another piece of rope and wrap it around the neck of the jar using hot glue gun. This is how it will look. With other piece of rope, tie a bow on the jar. Now take a small piece of artificial flower or leaf, whatever is available with you, and using a hot glue stick it to the jar. And make sure to add flameless tea light candle inside the jar. And this is how pretty it's gonna look like. I love the fact that I turned something like pickle jar into something so beautiful. So these were the 2 super easy DIY ideas. If you guys like the video, please do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.